Welcome. If you want to know how to send a tweet to someone on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC and the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to share someone else's tweet directly with your friends or followers using the direct message feature. First, open your web browser and head over to X by typing x.com in the address bar. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar X interface. Look to the left side of your screen and click on Home from the menu. This will take you to your main feed, where you can browse through tweets from people you follow. Scroll through your timeline and find the tweet you want to share. It could be something funny, informative, or just something you think your friends would enjoy. Underneath the tweet, you'll see several icons. Look for the share icon. It usually looks like an arrow pointing up and out of a box. Click on the share icon. A menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, choose Send via direct message. This feature lets you privately share the tweet with one or more recipients. A new window will appear where you can search for and select the people you want to send the tweet to. You can pick one person or several, depending on who you want to share it with. After selecting your recipients, you'll see a space where you can add a comment. This is optional, but it's a great place to add your own thoughts or context to the tweet. Once you're ready, simply click Send. The tweet, along with your comment if you added one, will be delivered directly to the chosen recipients' inboxes on X. That's it. You've just shared a tweet via direct message on X using your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using X and other social platforms. Happy sharing!